Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Dia Handcraft and Deco. Today you are going to watch another glass painting sessions. In this video you will learn how to use both glass paints and acrylic paints on the glass. Firstly you can choose a design and print them, and you can paste it on back of the glass. Or else if you are a good artist, you can straight away draw the pattern on the glass itself. Use glass painting outliner. I'm using a black color outliner. Always draw thick outline, if not the paints will come out from the outline, or else the paints will mix with the other colors if your outline is very thin. Practice outlining on a paper for few times before you start drawing on the glass. These are the colors I will be using today. Colors is your preference. You can use any colors, it's not a problem. These are glass paints. Since this bottle is very easy to straight away like use on the glass, I'm using them. Otherwise, if you have a different like bottle, you may use a brush. shouldn't be over painting. The paint shouldn't come out of the outlines. It should be within the lines. That's the reason we should always draw a thick outline, so that there will be room inside for the paints to stay. Choose any of your favorite colors for the mix. You don't need to follow the same colors as how I'm doing. Only this part of the design we are using glass paints. For the rest of the background we will be using acrylic paints. So now this is completed on the glass paint. So let it dry for few hours before you start painting on acrylic. Don't mix too much of water with acrylic paints, so on the glass sometimes it won't set. You can experiment by yourself. There is no hard and fast rule on this painting. I'm using green color for one side for the bottom part. So on the tiny edges you can use a brush, tiny brush. This color is magenta. This is purple. Subscribe to Dia Handcraft and Deco to watch all kinds of unique and eco-friendly arts and craft for kids and adults. Our videos will be released daily. In this pandemic time, try a different art and craft work daily. So it relieves your stress actually. Art and craft is a major stress relieving activity for kids and adults, especially in this pandemic time. Our videos are like going by session, and it's very basic, so anyone can try these designs at home. If you have any doubts or if you require any more videos on any of the topics, leave a comment below, so I will be replying you all, or you can email us, or straight away you can reply to our messages on our Instagram page. Okay, once you paint with acrylic colors, leave the design overnight to get dry. Once it's dried, you can frame it. That will give a very elegant look to your home actually. Or otherwise you can try the same design on a glass window, glass door, so where the sunlight comes, so that when the sunlight comes there will be a radiant colorful effect the glass paints gives. And here we have tried two methods, acrylic and the glass, so that these two parrots through the, if you keep this design where the sunlight comes, you will get a different colors through the parrots, but the other sides will be a bit darker since we have used acrylic paints. So it's give a major or different effects. That's the reason I have tried this. And thank you for watching this video, and let's come back tomorrow to watch a new video. Thank you.